Hey everyone, this is an instructional video for assignment number 23. So in this assignment, we're doing a historical inquiry and we're asking the question, was this dude, Huangdi, did he improve China? There's not an absolute right or wrong answer, but you're going to look through evidence and to try to make an argument to see if he ultimately improved China or not. So the first part is a warm-up, just looking at the geography that we did the other day. And then when you get down to the bulk of the assignment, the first part is to contextualize. So who was Shi Huangdi and what areas did he rule? So you're going to read this little paragraph here, and the answers are right in the paragraph, and it's pretty straightforward. What happened, how did he end the Warring States period, and what philosophy did he support? And then the rest of the assignment is a bunch of different sources that you're going to use to think about, did he improve China? So the first one is about the Terracotta Army. You see there's a few pictures here. We end up watching this video in class, and I'll post and attach it to the assignment. But for each question, you're going to have each document set will have some specific questions. So in this case, what does the Terracotta Army tell you about Shi Huangdi? And then all we're going to ask you, do you feel this source shows Shi Huangdi making a positive or negative impact? So there's not an absolute right or wrong answer. You're just going to use some evidence here to think, does this show him improving China or not? So the second one is the Great Wall of China. And you got to see a couple images here. Once again, some questions go along with it, with the same question. Do you feel like this source shows him making positive, negative impact? These questions will be very helpful for the graphic organizer at the end. The Great Wall also has this video clip to go with it, a true-false question, 2 questions with answers, and then a multiple choice one. Source 3 is a map of political borders. So look at how the borders change between map A and map 1 and map 2. Source 4 is about this philosophy of legalism. So you'll read this, and a little text about this. Once again, does this show him positive or negative? You look at standardization and new laws. If you don't know what the word standardization means, I recommend just right-clicking it and look up define standardization. Remember, you can pull up dictionaries over here if you're not sure what some of these words mean. Then source 6 is about an image here of burning books and executing scholars. So that one might be a little more clear, him making positive or negative impact. So once you have all the sources done, you're going to think about this question: did Emperor Shi Huangdi improve China? So you're going to make some claims or your opinion, and then you're going to back up your opinion with evidence. So just how we've done a lot of writing in this class, you're going to make a claim, you're going to say something, and then you're going to prove your claim with evidence. So yes, it was a success. He improved China because. No, he did not improve China, or yes and no. Like in some ways he did, in some ways he didn't. So you're going to take the information that you went through all the sources, and you're going to fill out this graphic organizer on the last page. Claim. What is a claim you can make about Emperor Shi Huangdi improving China? Well, one way Shi Huangdi improved China was by blank. And then you'll use evidence. So according to whatever source you're using, use specific evidence to back up what you're claiming, him being positive. Then you're going to make the counterclaim. So what is a way that he did not improve China? What did he do that was not great? And then you're going to use evidence. And then your conclusion here is ultimately, what do you think? And in this ultimate spot, you can say, yeah, no, he did a great job, and explain your reasoning. Or say, no, he didn't. Or you could say yes and no. Like there are some things he did well and there's some things he didn't. But you're going to articulate your answer there and explain that in that box. So hopefully this video helped. Reach out with email me if you have any questions. And see you later.